When naming your vehicles, make sure that you use a good naming convention so that the vehicle names displayed on the map make sense to you when you're looking at information on the map. Also, if you take a vehicle or a device out of service, if you have a device that you put into warm status, those are good things to add to the naming convention so that when you see that device populated, you know it's a spare, or you know it's in suspend mode, or you know that you're in the process possibly of returning it to us for a replacement. When you just remove devices from your database or make them historic, you can easily lose track that that's a device that you're paying for. So I always recommend keep all of your devices listed in your account, but use the name field to identify if there's something going on with that device.